1943 MB, runs good. Good steering. Nice, well done.
How about that, huh? Now, I want to tell you something because you know how long we've worked on this and how long it's taken to get to this state, this chassis state. There was no trickery here. That really was the first time that this drove out of this garage. I mean, I did have it running up on jack stands, so I knew it would go. But I think you did a great job.
Thank you.
First
it was
time,
great.
First time she ever drove the chassis. Now the chassis deal is for two reasons. Number one, because I want to be able to drive this around a little bit, make sure everything and get all the bugs worked out of it before I actually install the body in, which is taking me a long time to put back together. Should have did that first. Yeah. Anyway, she did a great job. I think she deserves a big hand. Thank you, Sherry Ann. You did a great job. And yeah, the flight deck in Charleston, South Carolina. Anyways, thanks for watching. And if you'd like to subscribe and follow along what we're doing in 1943 Willys MB, you can do so by clicking that subscribe button and the notification button so you know when we come out with new videos. Till next time, my friends, good job, Sherry. Keep it safe.
Well done, Scott
Happy
Miller.
Jeeping. Thanks.